어서 오세요.
일라면 얼마예요?
1,000원입니다.
5개 주세요.
5,000원입니다. No, not that one. There you go. 수고하세요.
수고하세요.
Yay! Finally, we made it.
I like
You
this.
won.
I think this one's alright.
That's mine. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
We are
한국남매.
Yay, we again. We're gonna learn something about.
About 라면.
I wish, but buy things.
Yeah.
Buy something and give some money.
Right.
today.
Talking about money really quickly. I noticed something there.
Money right now.
Coming here, one thing that I had a really hard time with is the
Unit.
number, the units.
Like it's like a big, you know.
Yeah, you walk around with these things. You're like, yeah, I got a 1,000. Yes.
1,000
천원. And what does 천?
1,000 won.
천 means 1,000.
Yeah.
천, right?
The second unit is bill unit is 5,000 won.
Ah, 5,000. Oh,
5,000
5,000.
won. So-
one. And the currency here in Korea is won.
Won.
Right? It's the won.
Right.
So 5,000 won. 5,000원.
5,000 won. Ta-da!
Yeah.
10,000 won.
만원.
10,000 won.
10,000
10,000 won.
won. That's right. 10,000
Yeah.
won.
And the ta-da!
Yeah, look at that.
5만 won.
5만 원.
Yeah.
50,000 won.
50,000 won. Right?
How many cup lamyons can you buy with one of these guys? With all the money that we have here.
Oh, okay. So we have 6만 6천 won.
You can buy a lot of this stuff.
Yeah. When you guys arrive at the airport,
Ah, yeah, at the airport.
you guys could buy a transportation card
Yeah,
at first, right?
yeah,
Or
yeah.
like ticket to the city. And then go to convenience store and go to the market. How about, wait, where's my money? Anyway, so
Yeah.
today we'll learn about the use expression to buy
Things, buy things. Okay, yeah.
어서 오세요.
이 라면 얼마예요?
1,000원입니다.
5개 주세요.
5,000원입니다.
수고하세요.
어서 오세요.
이 라면 얼마예요?
1,000원입니다.
5개 주세요.
5,000원입니다.
수고하세요.
Welcome greetings. 어서 오세요.
아, 어서
어서
오세요.
오세요.
어서 오세요.
How
Yeah.
about in Canada? Like, hello?
Crickets. They don't say anything.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
You'd be better to you said hello to shop assistants too, right?
So it's just not like it's not lip service. You just say it. You
Yeah.
should like kind of like
yeah. So
be
shop
polite.
assistant say
Okay.
어서 오세요, and you can say 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. We learned that, didn't we?
Yeah.
We totally
You learned
learned that.
it. 얼마예요? How much is it? 얼마예요? It's four syllables. 얼마예요?
얼마예요? Okay, and how much is it? So you don't have to like put in like anything else. You just the magic finger and just point, and he's like 얼마예요?
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 It's 1,000 won.
아,
1,000원입니다.
1,000원입니다.
1,000원입니다. You can say.
5개 주세요.
That means
주세요.
give me, yeah,
Yeah,
give
give
me 5.
Right.
Right?
Right.
It's 5,000 won. Because it's 5.
Right.
1 for 1,000 won. So 5,000 won.
5,000원입니다.
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 수고하세요. Or you can say thank you. 고맙습니다.
아, 고맙습니다.
감사합니다.
Ah, yes. What does that mean
Well,
exactly?
it's really hard to explain in English.
The way I heard was continue doing a good job. It's like a word of
Yeah.
encouragement, right?
Right. Kind of encouragement, right?
That's so nice here. Other people are so nice.
That's
encouraging you to do your
Korean.
job, right?
That's Korean.
We love Korea. I love Korea.
So we will teach some really useful words. 깎아주세요.
깎아주세요.
That means please discount.
Yeah, lower the price.
When you go to the like a local market, like a small market or 시장,
It's just like an open market,
right?
right?
Yeah,
Open market. Okay,
so
sure.
they don't have like price tag,
Oh, yeah.
right? So you can say that, oh, that's so expensive. Please give me a discount.
I'm terrible at that.
Give me a discount, or please give me a thumb.
Dumb?
Not DUMB.
Right.
Not that one. Like DUM. 덤 주세요. 덤.
Tom.
덤. That means service.
I learned and love that word service. Service are like little freebies. I have friends that wherever we go, we always get discounts. They're like, oh, 깎아주세요.
깎아주세요.
Yeah, that's the discount
Yeah.
phrase, right? 깎아주세요. 깎아. That's an easy one to remember. Right? Caca. And in French, caca means like snack.
Really?
Yeah. So when I first heard that caca, I'm like, oh, we're gonna have snacks. And all of a sudden the price was reduced. I was like, what? What's going on?
어서 오세요.
이 라면 얼마예요?
1,000원입니다.
5개 주세요.
5,000원입니다.
수고하세요.
Okay, let's wrap up today's expression. Please wait for the next time. For those all who love Korean, 한국남매.
남매.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, please.
And
I'm begging you.
This one. The thumbs up.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks.